Hi there. Welcome to problem 3 of the Essentials playlist. This is Soman and you're watching the Genesis YouTube channel. Today's problem is a past JEE objective question from 1999 and it goes like this. In 1 second, a particle goes from a point A to point B moving in a semicircle as shown in the figure. The magnitude of the average velocity is. 4 options are given. First one, A is 3.14 meter per second, B 2 meter per second, C 1 meter per second and D 0. I suggest you pause the video and try to do this on your own. It is a very straightforward question which should be doable by almost all students. We now go ahead with the solution. The average velocity of any particle is defined as V average is equal to delta r by delta t, where delta r vector is the displacement in the time interval delta t. And for the magnitude, you just take mod on both sides, that gives you the magnitude of average velocity. In this case, the displacement is AB vector, and so the magnitude of average velocity will be mod of V average is equal to AB by delta t. Now AB is the diameter of the circle and therefore it is equal to 2r by delta t. Radius, as you can see in the diagram, is 1 meters and therefore the answer is 2 into 1 by 1. Delta t was 1 second and you get the answer as 2 meter per second. Hence B is the correct option. I hope you like this problem and the solution. Keep watching the Essentials playlist for more such problems that every physics problem solver must do. JEE aspirants can also watch the Solutions to JEE Advanced 2020 playlist. We also have a playlist called Problem Corner in which we discuss unique problems with ingenious solutions. And finally, if you like the content, like, subscribe and share widely amongst your friends. Till the next video, stay safe and stay healthy you all.